Hi guys, today we're going to make a unicorn, a baby one, and I'll show you how to make. Because faces are really hard to make unicorns, that's why we're going to start with the face. And then after face, then you need to start with eyes, really big eyes like that. And then you need to make like little of these things. And then fill them up with these lines. Because it makes them more cute, right? And now you need to make one of these and then make one of these things. See, look cute, right? And now we're going to make the hair. And now the corn looks more like a unicorn. See? Unicorn getting done. You don't actually need to make it like that because I'm still a kid. That's why, but I'm drawing. That's why you don't need to make like this. And even I need to make the mouth. And I don't know really. I never watched like unicorn videos. That's why I don't even know how a unicorn's mouth looks like. But I do see a video how to draw a baby unicorn. That's why, and it's like this. And then it goes a tongue out. You can do, and then we're going to make the hair off. See? See how pretty that is? Now guys, we need to make all these hairs straight enough. Now see? Nice and beautiful. Now I need to color the corn because it doesn't so much look like a unicorn, right? Yeah, I know that it looks not so much like a unicorn. Let's make all this yellow and pretty like gold. See that? Nice little corn, but it's not so good because the body, right? If we have a unicorn body, it looks cuter. Now, I know that it looks a little bit like a people. I'm going to make legs. Legs will look like this. It needs to be looking tiny enough is legs. I know that it's not good enough, but yeah, it does still look like a baby unicorn, right? I knew you knew that. I knew it was still like a baby unicorn. See? See that? Little tiny leg, but this one's much tinier. I know that still looks like people. That's why I'm going to get out my light brown color. Really. I'm going to take out my pink marker and spread around lots of pink everywhere for the body. For it looks like more like a unicorn. See, it's already starting to look, right? It's already starting to look like a unicorn. You see? It looks really pretty like a unicorn. This is actually a girl video because it's a unicorn, really. That's why. And it does look pretty. I know, girl. That's why it looks like a pretty unicorn, I guess. I didn't like it because I didn't like this unicorn because I need to go. Really? And now the legs. See? The legs look nice now. The legs are looking nice because they have pink. And really pink is my favorite color. That's why I'm using pink because I love it so much, pink. That's why I'm doing this. Now, guys, I'm going to make all the head pink. The full around of it pink. See? Pretty, right? That's why now I'm going to make like a blue around. Now I'm going to use blue. Because then it'll look more like a unicorn, right? It's already starting to come like a unicorn, right? It has unicorn color. Now the face. See, now already looking like a pretty unicorn. Right? Right? Really pretty. See how pretty that is? See? It's so pretty. Right? And now I guess so this one will be filled up with blue because we don't have so much space. It's still pretty, but you know, here, unicorns here, they can be pink, but because I already used pink, I can't make it pink. But now I need to color them because I don't want to. Because if you're making like a silver drawing, that's why I'm gonna use silver because silver makes it really nice for hair, unicorn hairs. If you want to draw a unicorn. It'll take a long time, really. That's why I guess so. I guess it'll be a little bit boring because you can't watch the whole video, I guess. Now it'll take a long time. It'll take a long time coloring all of this. Because I don't have so much space and bubble, that's why I can't make this video so long. I think because Daddy took out all the space and bubble, that's why I think I can make the longest video in the world. Like how real videos are. I didn't make this video really long, right? Because I know this is going to take a long time for the hair to be uncolored. It'll take a while.